Welcome back to another video, guys. In this video, we are going to check whether the bear market is already happening or what are the datas that are proving it that bear market is already happening, and what are the things you need to do to gain most out of this market. Whether you are a Bitcoin or Ethereum or Solana holders, you will get a better understanding of what is going to happen in this market in this video. Before that, my name is Saleh. I am into crypto space for more than 6 years right now. If you are interested in this kind of financial videos regarding crypto, you feel free to subscribe to my channel. Okay, let's get into this video. Crypto is already down for more than 20% right now. In the case of past cycles, what you can see is that if Bitcoin went down more than 20%, then you can consider it as a bear market. The fun fact is that we already down more than 20% right now. If it is a bear market, then we are going to see a bear market for that last more than 6 months or the years. But can we interpret we are already in a bear market by just looking on the how many percentage we are going down? Not actually. To confirm that, I have done much more detailed research. What I find out is that exchange reserves are going up right now. Means you may don't know the exchange reserves. Exchanges like Binance's and other Bybit, etc., etc. So those exchange reserves are going up. That means long-term holders are moving their crypto to exchanges from their wallet. That actually indicating a selling pressure in the market right now. And the other perspective, if you are looking into the on-chain data, the and the Google search of the crypto, it all going down right now. So you can say it is literally the brutal signal of the bear market. So the most of the data is indicating that we are already in a bear market, but there is a catch that no one is ready to accept. Maybe it is already happening. The thing is that for the past couple of cycles, if you are saying that there is no ETFs and everything in the past couple of cycles, but right now crypto is more in the hand of institutions right now. And you can see that even though we are going down, the ETF inflow is going up. This is the trend we have been seeing in the last couple of years because of the institutional adoption is happening right now, and there was no ETF in the last days. And one more interesting fact is that even though the rate cuts have already happened in last month and previous months, the institutions are still in the buying zone right now. And according to the data, the cycle will only end in the December. But we still have the breathing room for further legs up in the market. The fact is that anything can happen in this cycle. This cycle is entirely different from last couple of cycles because of this institution adoption and everything. That's why we saw in the October at the every cycle, October is the green month. But this cycle, October, we saw a massive liquidation event and everything was going down in the start of October. So the changes are real right now. The institutions are already playing their game. So what I'm thinking is that we can't predict anything right now, but we can only be cautious about the every move in the crypto market right now. Maybe if the inflows are still going up, maybe we can see a further trend reversal in the December or start of the January, because there is still a breathing room because of the halving time. The window is still intact right now. You may don't know here with the halving time window. So the after Bitcoin halving, we have a time frame where the Bitcoin going up. That halving cycle is still intact right now. Still, we have some time for that. So we can expect much more trend reversal if institutions are taking care of Bitcoin very seriously right now. So even though we are saying about this market, we are focusing mainly on the Bitcoin. But even though currently in the bear markets, Ethereum and Solana will follow Bitcoin's path. If Bitcoin is going down, it will follow same price action and everything as a Bitcoin. So we are seeing further downsides of both Ethereum and Solana. Now let's answer the important question. What should I need to do with my investments right now? Okay. And we can split investors as a two type of investors. One type of investors are the long-term investors. Maybe even though in particular, my case, I have a long-term portfolio and some short-term money for the day-to-day trading kind of thing, for the swing trades and everything. So I will be explaining this as a two. What should I need to do with my long-term portfolio, and what should I need to do with the trading capital? Okay. In the long-term portfolio, I think the important thing we can do is the accumulation. If you are following some particular DCA, means dollar cost averaging system, this is the time for increasing the percentage of the accumulation in the BTC and Ethereum and Solana right now, because BTC and Ethereum and Solana both are below their realized price. For the newbies, they may don't know what is realized price. The realized price is the price where it's average of the all the price of the Bitcoin holders. So if you're buying Bitcoin in this 90k to 100k range, maybe below 95k, that means you are already an early investor in Bitcoin, because you have already bought Bitcoin far below more than 50% of the people in the market. Okay, so this is the best time for accumulation of all coins. And main important part is that in the case of 100% of your portfolio, don't hold more than 20% in Solana, and don't hold more than 30% of Ethereum as your portfolio, and rest of the thing should be in a Bitcoin. So if we are holding more percentage of Solana and Ethereum, that will make our portfolio more volatile to the market. It is better to hold most of your tokens as a coin. And you may know about the rotation of capital, where you are rotating Bitcoin to Ethereum and Solana in the uptrend. I think this is the time for Bitcoin dominance time. So it is better to hold everything in Bitcoin, more than 70% in Bitcoin right now. So accumulate Bitcoin in the more percentage, and then Ethereum, then Solana. And if you don't know about the rotation, we will create another video about the Bitcoin rotation. It's mainly in the case of a bull market. I think you may don't need to understand that right now. Okay, now the second part is that what should I need to do for my swing trades? So I was shorting Bitcoin for past couple of months, like October and November right now. You maybe know the trend thing, right? You always need to trade aside the trend. Currently, the trend is downside, so you should be always shorting. Okay, so in this market, what are the main thing you can do is the shorting right now. And in the case of shorting, if you're checking the last week, Bitcoin is always going down, and the corrections are very less in the last week. Everything was going down. So in my cases, I will always trade in every retested, not in the absolute correction. So I didn't get any opportunity last week. So the next thing you can do, look into next week, is that like Monday or Tuesday, or is that you need to find the correction phases where Bitcoin going up, and that's the point where you can use a Fibonacci retracement or some other chart pattern to identify the point to entry for another shorts. So always trade along with the trend, and try to trade in a long time frame period, like 4 hour or 2 hour chart. Don't try to trade in 1 hour and below the 1 hour chart, like 30 minutes or something. There is a chance for there will be more noises in those charts. And in the case of scalpers, I don't know about the scalping too much, because I'm not into scalping right now. So we covered the both cases, like long-term investor perspective and the trader's perspective. I think you got the idea of what I'm talking about right now. If you have any doubts, you just ping me in the comment section. I will try to answer, and if it is much detail, then I will create another video for that as well. Okay, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I think it got helpful for some extent. If you like this content, please subscribe to my channel.